Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can connect Etsy with Payoneer, so let's get right into it. I'll be using this online help article of Etsy itself to explain this to you guys since I cannot make a shop manager for different reasons, so let's go over this article really quickly. So there are a couple of regions that accept Payoneer as a third-party payment provider, those being Argentina, Brazil, Chile, China, Egypt, Georgia, India, Japan, Kazakhstan, Pakistan, Peru, Serbia, South Korea, Thailand, Ukraine, and the United Arab Emirates. And if you are in one of these regions, you can freely use Payoneer. Pretty much, you just need to sign up for a Payoneer account, and then you can start connecting with Etsy if you have a shop manager or a seller account. So on Etsy.com, you just need to go into your shop manager, go to finances, go to payment settings, choose enroll now, and if nothing happens when you select enroll now, just turn off any ad or pop-up blocker since it does open up a pop-up window. Then you'll be prompted to sign in to Payoneer or create an account. And once you sign up, everything should be good. You'll just need to verify your details and you should be set. Other than that, to sign up on the seller app, you just go to more, payment settings, and then finances, enroll now again. Just sign into Payoneer again through that, and you're pretty much done as you would be on the PC version. And that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.